What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to another awesome tutorial, and today guys I'm focusing on Roblox driving empire codes in 2025. These are by far the best currently working codes that you can use right now, and you can not only get free money, but you can unlock all cars in driving empire using a simple code. Before I start the video and show you how to go ahead and get these codes, make sure you like this video guys and subscribe to my channel, because I do plan on making many more tutorials for driving empire as long as you guys are enjoying the videos and subscribe. So yeah, let's show you how to get these driving empire codes. It takes a few minutes and these are by far the best codes. So as you can see guys, I'm using my mobile phone. I've actually been searching Google and YouTube on my mobile, and the process that I'm going to show you is super simple on your mobile phone. And you need to head on over to this website, www, so let's just type that correctly, .coldcoupons.com. So as you can see guys, just copy how I'm typing it, coldcoupons.com. It's going to bring you to this web page guys. If you haven't seen this website before, these have loads of pages on. So as you can see, I'm just scrolling through and they have codes for pretty much anything you can think of. So there is a search bar where you can just search for what you're looking for. So search driving empire, and here is the driving empire codes page. So if you go ahead and scroll down, you can see these are pretty popular guys with over 1,700 5-star ratings. And you can get a code for driving empire 10 million free cash. So this is going to get you free money, and this one is probably the best code that I've found. This is a driving empire code that's going to get all cars for free. So I'm going to select this one, and this confirms your choice. Basically confirms that it's still valid and working. And this process takes a few minutes, but it is worth it considering it is going to get you all cars, and the cars are pretty expensive. Some of them are millions. So as you can see guys, your coupon code is ready. So you do need to unlock your driving empire code. This is completely normal. So it's probably because this is your first time on cold coupons that you need to unlock your code, and basically this just verifies you're not a robot looking to steal all of the codes. So you need to follow the instructions on this page, and long story short guys, you just got to complete 2 of the free tasks. These companies sort of sponsor cold coupons and allow them to supply such awesome codes for us, but this does mean you need to complete a couple of tasks. They're all completely free, and it does take about 5 minutes. There's simple things like answering questions in surveys, like this one for example, where you just answer questions and input your valid email. It's very important if you do a survey you put in correct info, because it does verify you as a real person. There's also things like installing mobile applications and running them. Just make sure you do read the steps that it tells you what to do. So complete 2 of those. I'm just going to skip forward just so this video isn't too long, and then once you do that, your driving empire code to unlock all cars will be revealed, and you enter it in game. And that is basically how to get all cars in driving empire using working codes in 2025. So head on over to Cold Coupons, and I highly recommend you even bookmark this website, because they do add codes quite often and update them. So hope you enjoyed. Hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.